I'm live. Oh, well, not live, sadly. I don't know how to do a live stream on a phone. We're lighting fireworks in October, too. Time to go. Where'd I go? Stupid wind. Ah! Back up. Alright.
Wind probably blew it out. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'll kick it. Oh, we got a rocket here.
It's too windy out here for this. Let's see.
Stupid wind.
And it went down there and it... Here, kick it out straight. I ain't taking any chances.
Let's try the smoke bombs because we have like 6 of those.
What's your fingers?
Now, if this doesn't work, then we're gonna have to go in. Alright, that works.
Fireworks in October.
Oh, that smell.
Sulfur.
What's that?
They put in matches and stuff
Uh-oh.
to ignite things.
Orange, perfect for October.
Uh-huh, look at that.
The Washington neighbors will get yelled at us. Get yelled at us. I'm gonna try and stain my clothes.
Don't.
We'll save that blue one for later. Save this one for later. Oh, mix. Let's do a mix.
There we go.
That's...
Purple and purple.
Oh, ha.
Did that come out white? How about that? David! Look at David laughing.
Come on. Walk. Please, God.
Oh, yeah.
Yellow. Uh-oh. I think there's a murder scene. A clown got murdered. Alright. See, this is valuable, and we don't need... Oh, that's a joke. Alright, guys, we're gonna light these 2 later, plus another firework. This...
What car?
Yeah, and so we're gonna light we're gonna light this, we're gonna light the smoke bomb, and we're gonna light one more big firework later. So stay tuned, it'll be nighttime, or at least like dusk, or maybe not even dusk, but less wind, we'll say. So anyway guys, peace.